Hello everyone. Welcome back to English with Moses. This is the channel where you learn English in a simple, clear, and slow way. Here, we improve our English through stories, emotions, and real-life lessons. Today's video is a story to help you practice reading, listening, and understanding English. So relax, focus, and let's begin.
English with Moses.
Take your English to the next level.
Adam was a quiet boy. He loved drawing, reading comics, and watching the sky from his bedroom window. But Adam had a problem. Since childhood, he suffered from obesity. When he was very young, people used to say, "Oh, he's just a cute, chubby boy." But as he grew older, things changed. At school, some children started laughing at him. They called him names. They made jokes about his body. During sports class, he ran slowly. He felt tired very quickly. Some students refused to choose him for their team. Every time this happened, Adam smiled on the outside, but inside, he was breaking. He began to hate school. He began to hate mirrors. He began to hate pictures of himself. Sometimes, he asked himself, "Why am I different? Why can't I be like the other boys?" In his community, people talked a lot about appearance. They admired slim bodies, strong muscles, perfect shapes. Adam felt completely invisible. He tried many times to diet. He stopped eating for a day, then felt very hungry at night. He ate secretly. After that, he felt guilty. It was a painful cycle. Eat, regret, promise to change, fail again. But Adam was not alone. One evening, his mother entered his room quietly. She saw him crying. She sat next to him and said softly, "Adam, you are not your weight. You are my son. You are smart, kind, and strong." His father joined them. He said, "Son, we will fight this together. Not because you must look perfect, but because you deserve to be healthy." That night, everything changed. Not because of magic, not because of a miracle, but because Adam finally felt supported. The next week, the family visited a doctor and a nutritionist. They learned something important. Obesity is not only about food, it is about habits, emotions, lifestyle, and patience. Adam started a strict but healthy diet. No more fast food every weekend. Less sugar. More vegetables and fruits. More water. Balanced meals. At first, it was very hard. When he smelled pizza, he felt weak. When his friends ate chips at school, he felt tempted. But this time, he did not fight alone. His mother prepared healthy lunches with love. His father walked with him every evening, step by step, around the neighborhood. At the beginning, Adam could only walk for 10 minutes. He was tired, breathing heavily. But after 2 weeks, 10 minutes became 20.20, became 30. Then he started light exercises at home, simple movements, slow progress. Some days, he wanted to give up. Some days, the scale did not change, but his father always said, "Success is not one big step, it is many small steps." Months passed. Adam's body slowly changed, but something more important changed first. It's his mind. He became stronger inside. When someone tried to bully him again, he did not cry. He looked at them calmly and walked away. He joined the school gym club. At first, students were surprised, but Adam didn't care anymore. He was not exercising for them, he was exercising for himself. After 1 year, Adam lost many kilos. He moved faster. He felt lighter. He felt confident. But the biggest victory was not the weight loss. It was discipline. It was self-love. It was courage. One day, during sports class, he ran, and he did not stop. For the first time, he finished the race, and when he crossed the line, he did not see people laughing. He saw people clapping. Adam smiled, not because others accepted him, but because he finally accepted himself. Dear listeners, this story is not only about losing weight. It is about family support, mental strength, patience, and never giving up. Change is slow, progress is quiet, but consistency wins. If you are struggling with something in your life, remember Adam. You are not weak. You are stronger than you think. Thank you for listening and reading with me today. If you enjoyed this story and want more simple, clear, and slow English lessons, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs motivation. This is English with Moses, where we learn English through life. See you in the next story.